In primetime news this evening, climbing confirmed COVID-19 cases in Jamaica now at 59. How are the tourist-dependent North and West Coast coping with COVID-19? TVJ News examines. And dozens of homeless persons find relief in Kingston.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. This evening, Janella Precious is live in Montego Bay. She'll be joining us later. Also this evening, there's the Business Day and Primetime Sports. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before we take our break, here is our feedback question. This evening we're asking, with the nightly curfew set to end on April 8th at 6 a.m., should the government extend the measure? Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam. And please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.